Here's a quick demo of a KENWOOD 8021 Apple CarPlay unit. We've just installed it into this Porsche. The fitting kit allows the air conditioning to be moved, so the doubled in fits nice and neatly into the dash. So currently we're in Apple CarPlay and we can scroll through the screen. We can do telephone calls, we can do music apps, we can do map apps, and it has a digital radio, and it has a good equalizer, so if you're into your sound you can have some fun with that. We can flip through the functions quickly and easily. It puts everything conveniently into one place.